Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I'm going to show you how to secure your string. Now this technique will work whether you've added this accessory or not. Also it will work if you have run out of string and need to secure it and add new string. So for securing your string, what I like to do is go to the center of the current doily you are working on. No matter where you are in the piece, just work to the center of the doily. Then once you are at the center, what I like to do is do a snake pattern, weaving back and forth, and work my way into the previous doily. And then from here, I again work to the center of the doily. And you always want to weave in a snake-like pattern because that keeps your string from being exposed too much. And then once you are at the center of the previous doily, you want to go all the way around the center. Now with needles, you will most likely be able to work your way through the beads very easily. I do not use needles, so occasionally I run into a little trouble, but I usually make it through sooner or later. And then you want to make sure to go through that bottom or that first bead that you went through that's in line with your connection. And once you've gone through that, you have secured your piece or your string, and you can snip it off, and then you have made it so that your piece is all secure. And there, if you are just going to do a single row bracelet, there you have completed your bracelet. If you're going to do multiple rows where the accessories are in different positions, then you will want to plan that out ahead of time. I showed that in one of the previous videos, planning out your piece. And then our next videos will be to begin the next row and adding, connecting them to your finished first row. Or if you have more than one row finished, adding them to your finished rows. Hope to see you in those videos, and happy beading!